7 weird state laws you won't believe still exist. Don't scare pigeons in Massachusetts. A quirky law from 1848 forbids Massachusetts residents from frightening pigeons, and violators face up to a month in prison and a $20 fine. Initially intended to protect hunters' rights, the law is now outdated but remains on the books. Oklahoma, keep your nose out of others' business. Eavesdropping intentionally in Oklahoma is illegal according to a 1910 law. You might accidentally overhear juicy gossip, but don't do it on purpose or you'll be committing a misdemeanor. Vermont defends your right to hang laundry. Since 2009, it's been illegal in Vermont to ban clotheslines or other renewable energy devices. This law even supersedes homeowners associations' rules, ensuring that everyone can use eco-friendly ways to dry their clothes. In North Carolina, you can't play bingo for more than 5 hours, and 2 separate bingo sessions must have a 48-hour buffer. These restrictions are due to the state's historically conservative approach to gambling. Discounted alcohol sales are illegal in Utah, so don't expect happy hour at the hotel bar. Instead, many establishments offer happy hour with discounted appetizers. Since 1927, Hawaii has banned billboards, prioritizing its breathtaking ocean vistas over advertisements. Artificial limbs are off-limits in Delaware pawnshops. This strange regulation is part of a lengthy legal rulebook governing pawnshops in the state. Thank you for watching The Curious Collective.